Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Honor has unveiled its latest children's smartwatch. The smartwatch is available at price of 41 US dollars. The smartwatch includes features like historical trajectory, allowing parents to view their children's movement over the past 30 days. Safe zones can be set to receive alerts when children leave designated areas. A one-touch SOS button triggers an immediate call to predefined contacts. The owner Whizkid 2i boosting to fault precision positioning, a 4G connectivity. It comes in fairy and purple and dawn blue colors. The Whizkid 2i also encourages healthy habits by recording daily steps and supporting various sports modes. The smartwatch boosts a 930 mAh battery for extended use throughout the day. The built-in camera allows for the video calls, while the Diao 2 voice assistant provides access to a vast knowledge base, perfect for answering children's questions. The watch even supports Alipay payments code, allowing children to make small purchases with parental controls and spending limits. The watch has undergone rigorous durability tests, ensuring it can handle drops, bumps, and everyday use. The watch is also built to withstand everyday wear and tear. It boasts an IPX8 waterproof rating, making it resistant to rain, sweat, and even accidental submission. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.